Morning, nursery children and parents, and hopefully aunties, uncles and grandparents. It's a Friday, the 26th of March, and we're here for our nursery presentation assembly for all those children who are working so hard over this whole spring term, whether that be at home or at school. So these are some fantastic children who've earned themselves certificates to take home on Friday with them, because they are amazing. And as this is on YouTube, what I would say to all parents, please do share this with aunties, with uncles and with grandparents. Get that out there so everyone can watch and join in and celebrate, because we usually do that here at school, but obviously we're unable to do that. So please do share it far and wide. So let's start this morning. Let's find out who these stars are. Look at these, look, for physical development. These guys, look at these guys, look. We've got Jack and we've got Max. We've got Willow, we've got Arabella and Archie. Look at these absolute superstars, really smiling and actually just getting that whole element about being physical. All the bets that you expect from those children, really growing up, becoming independent, doing things for themselves. It is amazing. Well done, you superstars. Enjoy those certificates and give them a huge round of applause in class as well. Come on, let's give them a good clap. There you go, well done. Well done, guys. Congratulations. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you today. Moving on, we've got maths. Oh, look at these mathematicians. Don't they look bright, hey? We've got Archie, we've got Mikey, we've got Letty, we've got Naffy, and we've got Lola. Look, these guys working so hard on their numbers, recognizing numbers, counting up to 10, 20. You know, amazing children being so good at their maths and working really hard throughout this term. So huge congratulations. Let's give them a little clap as well. These little superstars, look at them. Well done, all of you. Mr. Allen's really proud of you. Well done. Moving on, we've got reading stuff. These children I know have been reading and learning their sounds every single day. It is amazing. It's absolutely brilliant. So well done. And all the way through this term when they've been at home as well. So it's been fantastic. So we've got Nella, we've got Phoenix, we've got Ruben, and we've got Arafat. Look at that, look at that. Big smiles. Thank you guys, because actually, you know, that makes Mr. Allen smile. But these guys are absolutely reading superstars, reading every single day and learning their sounds. Let's give them a big clap. Come on, everyone. Look at that. You superstars, well done. Keep it up, keep that reading up. And with your certificate, you'll be taking home a little book as well. So really do enjoy that. And it'd be lovely to see you reading that book on Tapestry, please. So over Easter, if you get some pickies up on Tapestry, having a little look at the books, please. Okay, come on. Moving on, look at these literacy stars as well, doing all their writing. Oh, these guys, they're reading and they're writing. You've got Seema, you've got Josiah, you've got Amelia, Sebastian and Rafaela. Look at these. Honestly, these guys are amazing at their literacy and their English. They're absolute superstars, working so hard. Look, big smiles on their faces as well, because they're really happy at school as well. But that has been at home and at school, so well done, guys. Really proud of you. Understanding the world, look at these guys as well. Hey? We've got some amazing children just understanding the world and working so hard about the world around them and being really sensible with that as well. We've got Jasmine, we've got Alicia, we've got Jensen, Sunila and Maya. Look at you guys, look. Big smiles on your face as well. Thank you. Making me smile, but really well done, guys, because these children are absolutely superb. Really amazing common sense as well. So grown up and understanding the world. So brilliant. Well done to all of you. It's fantastic. Well done, everyone. You are all amazing. Nursery children, you absolutely are all amazing. It's fantastic. We need to give all those children a huge round of applause, because they are absolutely amazing. And it is the end of term, so we're at the end. It's coming up to these holidays, so we've got 2 weeks off. Keep doing odd little bits, keep doing little bits at home. Maths, do bits of writing, do bits of reading. Just keep that up, please, okay? And just have a fantastic holiday. And hopefully we'll see you all again for the beginning of the summer term. Have a great holiday, everyone. Bye-bye now.